Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the difference between slash and double slash operator in Python. So these two are used for doing the division operation in Python. So for example, if I divide 6 by 2, it is going to give 3.0. So slash operator is a true division and it always gives float value. Double slash is a floor division and it gives quotient float, which is down values. So if I divide 5 by 2, then it is going to give the value 2.5. So this is the 2.5 is a float value. Similarly, if I use the double slash operator, it is going to give the value 2. So value 2 is float or lowered value and it is 2. If I divide minus 5 with 2, it is going to give the value 3. So it is going to give the lowered value. If I divide 10 by 3, it is giving 3.333. If I divide using the double slash operator, it is giving 3 value. So similarly, if the value is minus 10, then it is going to give minus 4. So this way you can use the float division or slash division in Python. Slash division is used and it gives or slash division always gives the float value, while the double slash division gives the float value. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.